Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rose. I'm back with another video, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below for more videos. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup routine using the Milani foundation. I've been eyeing this foundation. I've been dying to use it, just haven't gotten around to it. I hate really shopping for foundation in a drugstore because they don't really have much ranges or colors for us. So this one is supposed to be a concealer and foundation in one. You don't have to use concealer, but I do because I like to conceal underneath my eyes, you know, just for that highlight, you know, popping. But so far I love it. If you're interested in seeing how it works on me or what it looks like, or if you're closer to my shade, then go ahead and keep on watching. I'm going in with the Rimmel Stay Matte Mattifying Makeup Primer. It claims that it controls shine for up to 8 hours, which it doesn't. Then I'm gonna go ahead and with the Mercier translucent powder. This is bae, y'all. If you got oily skin, I would highly recommend that you use loose setting powder underneath your foundation so that it can help control the oils and last longer. Then I'm gonna go ahead under my eye with the Corrector by Bobbi Brown. This is so bomb. I found this out from Nazanin Kavari on YouTube, and ever since she promoted it, I've been using it and I love it. Then I'm going in with the foundation, which is the Milani 2-in-1 foundation concealer in the shade Mocha. Now this foundation, it looks like skin. It conceals every dark spot on your face, but it does say that it's long lasting, which it isn't, because I'm doing this voiceover like 6 hours later and the shine and the oil is like peeping through, y'all. Peeping through. I'm buffing that out with the e.l.f. foundation or powder brush. Then I'm going in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser for dark circles. I do not have dark circles, but I do love this this concealer because it goes on like nice and smooth. Like you can blend it out into your skin and it's not gonna leave any like white cast or anything like that. You will see later on when I blend it in how flawless it looks on my skin, and I am in the shade Tan. Now I'm going back in with my Mercier translucent powder. This is the only translucent powder I've ever used when I've ever done my makeup, and it blends in like butter, y'all. Look at that. It just melts right into my skin, y'all. Take a look at it. Like, what? I haven't touched any other setting powder ever since I've been wearing makeup. It's just that bomb. And then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and powder up my face with the Sephora Micro Smooth powder. I learned about this through Alyssa Ashley here on YouTube. Like, it will literally help blend in everything. If your concealer is a little bit off, you just put that on and it will basically, you know, blend in the lines. Love it. And it's lightweight. For contour, I'm going in with the Morphe Brontour in Showmance. It is a bronzer and a contour at the same time. So I'll just take this and do the shape of a 3 on the side of my face, making sure I blend it in, you know, buff it out. It does have a little bit of shimmer on it on the sides, but I do go in with a different highlighter because I like a highlighter to pop. And I'm gonna use that same contour shade to go ahead and, you know, give my eyes a little bit more color back in it. I just used the dark shade and, you know, in windshield wiper motion and put it in my eyelids. Then I'm gonna go ahead with the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This is super pretty, y'all. Like, Aaliyah J used it, and ever since I was like, I need to get that. I gotta get that. Look at that. Ooh. A little bit more highlight won't hurt. Just add a little bit more on top of that. Like shine, shine, shine. Then I'm going to go ahead with the NYX matte setting spray. The only setting spray I have ever used. And it is great. I love it. Haven't put it down since. Then for mascara, I'm going to go ahead with the Tarte Man Eater mascara. I love that mascara. It just makes your eyelashes pop. You know, I don't wear falsies. They feel weird. I don't even know how to apply them, first of all. Just mascara. That's all I need. Simple, basic.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with the NYX Nutmeg Lip Liner, and I'm gonna go ahead and just, you know, carve out those lips. I already have big lips, so a lip liner I feel like make them junks bigger, but whatever, they look juicy, you know. And then I'm gonna go ahead and slap some gloss on it. I don't really wear lipstick. Slap some NYX butter gloss and tiramisu. And that is all, y'all. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.